Martha here.
I'm Bella.
Come with us for a site tour.
These are what we call CALs, which is covered anaerobic lagoons. What they are is an EIA liner in a gas-tight sealed battening system over a giant clay-lined basin.
One of the milestones of the project when constructing the lagoons was the installation of this giant cover behind me. And in doing so, we ran multiple stakeholder meetings to agree on a certain method for the installation of this cover. Basically, the installation of this included 2 30-ton excavators on the sides and allowing the cover to float on top of the water right across to the other end.
The idea behind these is that once they've run through the DAF, the trade waste that isn't split off into the fog digester will run into these lagoons. Once it's broken down with the right bugs and the right bacteria, the waste will start to generate methane. It then gets drawn out and run through scrubbing systems, which will continue over in the other side of the plant. Behind me, we have what we call the inlet works. It is essentially the first process of receiving trade waste, where it'll run through pump stations. On the platforms, we've got screens that'll screen out any rags and run them into the bin, the things that get stuck in pumps. We've got the black tank behind me is a pH tank, and then we've got the DAF. The DAF is a dissolved air flotation tanker, and what it does is it uses microbubbles to separate fats, oils and greases from the incoming trade waste. This is what we call a fog tank. A fog tank stands for fats, oils and greases, and it's a digestive tank. It will constantly be mixing sludge. It will be working up to about 38 degrees on normal operation.
In order to build this fog tank behind me, we had to bring in specialists from Queensland who've been working on constructing tanks as such. These guys were competent, they've already conducted or already carried out specific training.
So when building the tank, there was quite a rigorous QA system that we had in place for ensuring that each layer was signed off before the subcontractors could jump to the next layer. The final stage in this particular process plant is taking the gas out of the CAL lagoons and the fog digester tank, and we run a scrubbing system of cleansing the gas, and then it's able to be used in the green generator behind me, which has got the capacity to generate enough electricity to run both this new plant and the existing plant. When we have an overaccumulation of biogas, we've got the ability to bypass all the biogas processing equipment and flare it straight out, which basically means that it's not going to be harmful to the environment.